Dad, how was I made?
Well, you see, son, it all started with me and your mother.
I've been really trying, baby.
To start off, we have a normal cell. It goes through a process called meiosis that consists of 9 stages. It starts off with interphase. In interphase, the chromosomes replicate into 2 sister chromatids. After this comes prophase. In prophase 1, the cell's centrioles go to the opposite sides and get ready to line up the chromosomes. Homologous pairs, chromosomes from my mom and my dad, begin to pair with each other in a formation known as a tetrad and go through a very special process called crossing over. In crossing over, the 2 homologous chromosomes transfer DNA and genes to each other. What this does is makes each chromosome no longer the same as ones from different normal body cells. You will never find 2 similar chromosomes after crossing over. This makes huge genetical diversity. It's part of the reason you're so different from your brother Jimmy. The next stage is metaphase 1. What happens in this stage determines what chromosomes will go to what parts of the cell. This is called independent assortment. This process, like crossing over, is completely random. It can happen like this, or like this. Following metaphase 1, the cell goes into anaphase 1. In anaphase 1, the chromosomes move to opposite sides of the cell. Keep in mind, the whole chromosome goes to the side of the cell, not just one sister chromatid. After anaphase 1 is telophase 1. In telophase 1, the 2 end cells splits into 2 end cells. These cells are sort of like gametes, but not really. They're just going through an awkward phase right now. So after we have 2 n-numbered cells that are sort of like gametes, next comes the second stage of meiosis. In prophase 2, all that really happens is more spindle fibers form. After this, metaphase 2 happens. In this stage, all the chromosomes align in the middle, this time without being paired together, as it prepares for anaphase 2. In anaphase 2, the 2 sister chromatids are pulled apart to opposite sides of the cell by the spindle fibers. Nothing much special happens here either. Following this, telophase 2 occurs. During this stage, the current cell divides into 2 smaller gametes. These gametes contain n number of chromosomes. In men, gametes are sperm, and in women, gametes are eggs. All the sperm race to be the first ones to fertilize the egg, and voila! You've got a zygote, the first cell of life. And that's the story of you, Timbo. What do you think?